to our channel Cooking with Amma. Wishing you all a very happy and prosperous Diwali. And though by the time this video comes up, I guess Diwali would have been done and dusted with, but nevertheless, celebrations must go on. And a very important part of celebrations is food. So before we get into the actual video, I want to show you some clippings of what we made on our Diwali. So let's go. And we are back. So if you are a person who doesn't like to eat chapati or roti on a regular basis, then this video is for you. So keep watching and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is Cooking with Amma. And today's video is about something that is very nutritious again, and it is very light. It just came out of my home's breakfast menu, and it is something that you can have in breakfast, lunch, dinner, like a snack or something that you want to just have, but you don't want to go heavy on your food. You just don't want to have something heavy, you want to have something light. You can have this, and it is called WHEAT dosa, or at my place it is known as karchamavu dosa. So let's begin. And guys, a little disclaimer that I forgot to mention, that godume is known as wheat or gehu, and we are going to make dosa out of wheat flour or gehu ka atta. We are going to use that, and now let's begin.
For wheat flour dosa, we would be needing 3 cups wheat flour, 1 onion, 1 green chilli, half cup semolina or SOOJI, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds or JEERA, salt to taste, and 1-inch piece of ginger. For tomato chutney, we would be needing 3 tomatoes, 3 onions, 2 green chilies, 4 teaspoon roasted chana, coriander leaves, a pinch of asafoetida or hing, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon urad dal, 1 strand curry leaves, salt to taste. Let's begin. First, we will be adding the wheat flour or gehu ka atta into a big bowl. Then add the semolina or SOOJI. Now we will be adding 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, then we will cut the onion in small pieces and put it inside the bowl as well. Now we'll be adding the green chilies and ginger. After this, we will add water and salt as per the requirement and make it into a batter which is smooth and has a dripping consistency. After that, you can let the batter sit aside for about 20 minutes. Meanwhile, we'll be preparing for the chutney, for which we have added oil to a pan and we have added diced tomatoes, onions, and we have cut the green chili with a slit in between and we are allowing it to fry. We have just added salt to taste and there goes the hing or asafoetida. We'll just let it fry for a while until the onion become a little golden brown. After this, we will cover it with a lid. We will remove the lid after 5 minutes and check whether the vegetables are fried properly or not. And yes, I guess it's almost done. We will let it cool down for a bit. Now, after cooling down, we will add these vegetables to a blender. After this, we will be adding chopped coriander leaves, and the roasted chana. We won't be roasting it, we will just put it directly for the texture. After this, we will blend it into a fine, smooth paste. Now we will add about half cup water to it. Now you can see that it has been blended into a very smooth textured paste. Now we will be preparing for the tadka, for which we have used 1.5 teaspoon of oil, in which we have added mustard seeds, urad dal and curry leaves. Once the urad dal is a little brownish in color, we will wait for the mustard seeds to pop and then we will add this to the chutney. Now it is the time to make the dosa. So we will put the batter a little bit as per requirement on a pan. After that, we will add a little bit of oil so that the corners can fry and the bottom is getting heated already. So we will allow the bottom to get a little brown and crispy. And we have flipped and you can see that the bottom has turned a little brown, which means that it has cooked from the bottom. Now we will flip it to cook from the other side as well. Once the other side is done, we will flip it again and we will place it on a plate once we are done with both the sides brown, and the end look looks like this. And your wheat flour dosa is ready. Serve it hot with chutney or any other side dish or dip that you would prefer. If you liked our video and want us to make more such videos, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is Cooking with Amma. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified every single time we upload a video.